Okay, so this will be a recording of how you can obtain a barcode from Idropship for a particular product and then apply it to your Shopify product. So on Idropship, you can go to your account, and from here it will open up a bar on the left where you can open up Download Center, and you can go download all products in CSV. So you could do Shopify, but because we're just using it to read and look at, we just need generic. So we can go export. And then once it loads, we'll be able to open up and it will show us a list of all Idropship's products and all the details on them. Let's just quickly open it. And then here, we've got the UPC, which is the barcode. So I just like to open that up a bit because it helps identify it. So then what we can do is we can go to here is one of our product lists. So we can open this up. And then we copy the SKU for this product. And then we can do Control F and search it. Now what I like to do is I like to click it a second time so that it's closer to this. And I can copy it. Then what I can do is I can search the product, or if you've already got it open, and then scroll down to barcode and then paste it in like I already have there. Now you will come across products which will have variants, so like different variants within the one listing. So if you do come across that kind of scenario, what you want to do is you want to go edit at the variant section and open bulk editor. And I like to close that off, open that up and that, so that you got the barcode open. And now let's just say I've got this open, I want to do large blue. So for us, large is higher price and this one's the blue one. So let's just say open this up, for example. I can then copy the SKU again, much like we did before. Search it, click it a second time and copy the barcode and then place that in. Easy as that, but one thing you do have to remember is always check that you've got the right SKU connected and the right barcode selected, because quality control is definitely a big thing in this kind of area. But overall, that's the main idea for getting the barcode from Idropship.